In the 1930s, brothers Richard and Maurice McDonald were running a small drive-in restaurant called Airdrome in Monrovia, California. The restaurant was struggling to make ends meet, and the brothers began to experiment with ways to streamline their operation and reduce costs. In 1940, the McDonald brothers decided to open a new restaurant in San Bernardino that would feature a limited menu of just a few items. They also developed a new system for preparing food that involved using assembly line-style techniques to speed up the cooking process. The brothers called their new restaurant McDonald's Barbecue, and it quickly became popular with local residents and travelers on nearby Route 66. However, it wasn't until a few years later that the McDonald brothers had their breakthrough. In 1948, they realized that the majority of their sales came from just a few menu items: hamburgers, cheeseburgers, fries, and milkshakes. They decided to simplify their menu, eliminate unnecessary items, and focus on quality and speed. The brothers closed their successful restaurant, terminated all their car hops, and reorganized their kitchen in order to specialize in speed of service, simplicity of menu, and low prices. They opened a new restaurant in the same location, this time called simply McDonald's, and it was an instant success. In the early 1950s, a young businessman named Ray Kroc visited the McDonald brothers restaurant and was impressed by the efficiency of their operation. Kroc saw the potential for franchising the McDonald's brand across the country, and he convinced the brothers to sell him the franchise rights. Kroc opened the first franchised McDonald's restaurant in Des Plaines, Illinois, in 1955, and the rest is history. Under Kroc's leadership, McDonald's grew rapidly and became one of the most successful fast food chains in the world. Today, there are over 38,000 McDonald's restaurants in more than 100 countries, serving millions of customers every day. The San Bernardino location is still open and has been converted into a McDonald's museum, showcasing the history and evolution of the iconic brand. Subscribe to the channel or click on the box on the left for more historical events.